Oh, what's up? So, if you've been traveling and not getting good workouts in because you don't know what to do or you're limited to equipment, you're gonna wanna watch this video. In the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to kick your own ass with a pair of dumbbells. Let's go. So you're gonna wanna warm up properly every time you work out. So we're gonna start with the squat, curl to overhead press. You're gonna complete 2 rounds of 1 minute to get warmed up for this workout. All right, so let's get to the workout. We're gonna start with the standing overhead dumbbell press. We're gonna go for 10 reps, make sure the weight's challenging. As soon as you're done your 10th rep, we're gonna go into 10 thrusters. Once you complete 10 thrusters, we're going dumbbell rows. Pull both elbows to the sky. You're gonna do 20 reps on your non-dominant side. On the 20th rep, fix the elbow up high, 20 reps on the other side. Once you complete the 20th rep, we're going 20 doubles. Once you finish 20 reps, 20 RDLs, keep your chest up. Get a good stretch in your hamstrings. Immediately following the 20th rep, we're gonna go into walking lunges. On the 20th rep, you're gonna ditch a dumbbell. We got 20 jump squats with the dumbbell. Take a 30-second break and repeat that 2 more times for 3 rounds total. So once you finish the first circuit, you're gonna take a 1-minute break and immediately get back to it. So we're gonna start with the B stance goblet squat. And with the B stance, our toe is gonna line up with the forward heel. We're gonna complete 20 reps, keeping 80% of the weight on the front foot. Immediately after 20 reps, switch stance, other leg for 20. After the 20th rep, 20 pulsing goblet squats, making sure your hips get above and below your knees. After your goblet squats, you're gonna wanna get the dumbbells. We have Arnold presses. 10 on the right, 10 on the left, 10 doubles. After the doubles, we have 20 hammer curls. 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. On the 20th rep, you're gonna ditch a dumbbell, pop it over your head, dumbbell tricep extensions. Again, we're going for 20 reps. On the 20th rep, we're gonna drop to the ground. You're gonna complete push-ups until failure. Once you run out of gas, knees on the ground, menus you can do modified. Take a 30-second break and repeat it 2 more times for 3 rounds total. So we are on to our 3rd and final round of exercises, all right? So you're gonna start in a goblet position. You're gonna go reverse lunge, squat, reverse lunge, squat. We're gonna repeat this for 1 minute straight. After 1 minute, we're gonna go to wall sits. Turn the dumbbell over. Stay level with your shoulders above your head. 1 more minute of exercising. Following that minute, you have 1 minute of alternating dumbbell snatches. You're gonna take a 30-second break and again, complete 2 more rounds. So, I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you like, comment, share, tag a friend who's traveling, and I'll see you at the gym next time.